Maths Part 2nd Standard 10th Unit number 1 Similarity Property of three parallel lines and their transversals Part 5. Hello friends, I am Rajendra Jadhav. Today we are going to learn about Maths Part 2nd Unit number 1 Similarity. This point, property of three parallel lines and their transversals. See the statement: the ratio of the intercept made on a transversals by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel. See here the figure A, B and C. These three lines are parallel to each other and P and Q are the transversals. Here the write down given, observe figure and write down the given. In given first line A, line B and line C are parallel. Line A parallel, line B parallel to line C. These three lines are parallel. Then next, transversal P intersect line ABC in the point LMN. Transversal P intersect line A, B and C in the point L, M and N. L, M and N. Transversal Q intercept line ABC in the point X, Y, Z. Transversal Q intersect line A, B and C in the point X, Y and Z. In the point X, Y and Z respectively. This is the given part of this theorem. Write down here the to prove in the statement the ratio of intersect made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of corresponding intersect made by any transversal by the same parallel. Here the intersect LM, MN and XY and YZ. This is the intercept LM upon MN is equal to XY upon YZ. This is the proof. Then the in diagram is a construction for to prove this theorem. Here construction construction. Draw a segment LZ. Let segment LZ intersect segment MY at a point K such that K is a between LZ and K is a between MY. Write down the construction. Draw a segment LZ. Let segment LZ intersect segment MY at a point K. Segment MY at a point K such that K between LZ and K between MY. This is the construction of this theorem. Let's see the following figure. Observe this figure and write down the proof of this theorem. Proof of this theorem. In this figure, triangle LNZ, in a triangle LNZ, segment MK parallel to side NZ. In a triangle LNZ, segment MK is a parallel to side NZ. To using by basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. Here the LM upon MN, LM upon MN is equal to LK upon KZ. This is the first statement. Next, see the triangle. In a triangle LZX, this segment KY is a parallel to side LX. In a triangle LZX, segment KY is a parallel to side LX. Here the using by basic proportionality theorem. Here the LK upon KZ is equal to XY upon YZ. This is the second statement. From 1 and 2, and 2. Here 1 is LM upon Mn is equal to Lk upon Kz, and here Lk upon Kz is equal to Xy upon Yz. Therefore, these two ratios are here equal. The value of Lm upon Mn is Lk upon Kz, and the value of Xy upon Yz ratio is the value Lk is upon Kz. These ratios are equal. Therefore, Lm upon Mn is equal to Xy upon Yz, and this is the to prove up this theorem. Let's see the example number 1. In a triangle ABC, DE parallel to side BC, if DB is a 5.4, the value of DB is equal to 5.4, AD is equal to 1.8 centimeter, and EC is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Then find the value of AE. Value of this AE. Figure is like to basic proportionality theorem figure. Here the solution of this example. Solution. Write down the given part of this example. Here triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. By basic proportionality theorem, by basic proportionality theorem, write down the ratio AD upon DB. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Put the value of this AD. AD is 1.8, BD is 5.4 is equal to, here the find the value of AE. AE is AE, and value of EC is equal to 7.5. These two ratio are the multiplication, cross multiplication here. 5.4 into AE is equal to 1.8 into 7.2. Therefore, AE is equal to 1.8 into 7.2 upon 5.4. Do the work in rep page here. Calculation of 1.8 into 7.2 upon 5.4. To simplify this division, to multiply by numerator and denominator is a 10. Here the multiply 10 and numerator and denominator multiply by 10. 1.8 into 10, here the 18 into 7.2, and 5.4 into 10 is equal to 54. 18 3 is 54. Then the divide to 7.2 in 3. 3 2 is 6, remaining 1, and here the tail 3 4 is 12, and the value of here value of A is equal to 2.4. Value of A is equal to 2.4. Let's see the next example. Example number 2. In a triangle PQR, segment RS bisect angle R if here the PR is equal to, the value of PR is equal to 15, the value of RQ is equal to 20 and value of PS is equal to 12, then find the value of SQ. In this triangle, segment RES bisect to angle R and using the property of angle bisector here. In this example, using the property of angle bisector. Solution. Write down here the given in a triangle PQR. Segment RES bisect angle R. Therefore, the preposition is a PR upon RQ is equal to PS upon SQ. Here the start from P to write down PR upon RQ, then write down PS upon SQ. Here the write down the reason. Reason is property of angle bisector. Angle bisector theorem. Put the value in these ratios. Value of PR is equal to 15. Value of RQ is a 20. Value of PS 12 and value of SQ. Here the find value of SQ. SQ is a SQ. Cross multiplication of these two ratio and the find the value of SQ. Here the 15 into SQ is equal to 12 into 20. And the value of SQ is equal to 12 into 20 upon 15. Therefore, value of SQ is equal to, do work on rough page this calculation, 12 into 20 upon 15. Here the divide of 15 and 20 same number, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 3 4 is 12, and here the multiplication of 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Therefore, value of SQ is equal to 16. Here the value of SQ is the 16. In this type example asked on question paper in 2 marks. Let's see the next activity. In the figure, AB is a parallel to CD and CD is a parallel to EF. If AC is equal to 5.4 and C is a 9, BD is a 7.5, then find the value of DF. Solution here, AB is a parallel to CD and CD is a parallel to EF. This property of the three parallel lines and their transversal. Here the AC upon C, CE, AC upon C, and here BD, the second transversal, BD upon DF. Write down the reason, property of three parallel lines, and their transversals. Fill in the values. AC is a 5.4, C is a 9, and the value of BD is equal to 7.5. Then do rough work on rough page. Here Cross multiplication of these two ratios, 5.4 into DF is equal to 7.5 into 9. Therefore DF is equal to 7.5 upon 9 is equal to 5.4. Multiply by, simplify this calculation to multiply denominator is 10 and numerator is 10. The DF is equal to 7.5 into 10, 75 into 9 upon 54. 9 6 are 54 and the 75 and 6 divided by 3 2 the 6, 3 2 the 6, remaining 1, 3 5 the 15. Here the 25 upon 2, 25 upon 2, 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, remaining 1, 2 5 the. Here the value of DAP is equal to 12.5. This type of question, activity based, ask on our question paper in question number 2A in a 2 mark and question number 3A 3 marks. In each box have half mark of scheme of marking.